Hello everyone, welcome to Pouring My Art Out. We're going to do this cute egg, and it's a jar or a present box, whatever you want to call it. It's cute as can be. So I'm excited about it. We're also going to pour another phone holder. It's an elephant phone holder. And the reason I'm going to pour it is because I want it the same color as I'm going to do the first color in here. So I mixed up 4 ounces, and we're going to do purple, and we're going to do purple bling bling. Now the object is I want the middle to be purple, this part. So both bottoms of these I will be doing the purple in. Alright, and this is just a Crafter's Closet acrylic craft paint. And there was a question about using acrylic paint because a lot of it is water-based, but some of it is oil-based as well. I have never had a problem with it. I mean, never. So it's always come out really nice and shiny for me, and I've used it for a couple of years now because it's very inexpensive colorant and it's opaque, so I really like it. And that's a pretty color. And that one is not opaque, so that's kind of cool. Alright. That's actually very cool because we could probably put fairy lights in there. Because my next layer is going to be yellow, and it is going to be transparent. So do you see that? Alright, we're going to pour a bunch of glitter. And it's super fine glitter, so I'm not worried about it sinking. And if it does, that's okay. It'll give that gradient look, which will be fine with me because it's in the right place to do that. See that? Isn't that pretty? Can you see it? Very sparkly. Just make sure it's mixed up nicely, and it is. I just want to see that purple color on here on my paper towel. Yeah, that's a good color. Okay, so I'm going to pour some of this in my cup just to control the flow. Give these a spray. We don't want any bubbles in those little whoop-de-doos. Give it a rub down, massage. Alright. And here we go. I'm just barely in focus there. Alright. Do I want more? Probably. We'll do more in this one. Alright. That's probably good there. Now let's do the cap. And same thing, spray. Massage. And we're going to pour. And that's enough in that one. I think we need a little more in this one. Okay, and this is a little warped, but it will be fine. If not, I'll tape the top when I do the next layer. Okay, give these a spray. Now for my phone holder elephant. Gonna give it a good spray. And we're gonna pour in here. And we have some left over. And I think that's a good thing because I don't have any purple keychains. So that is good. All right, that's what we're going to do with the leftover. The elephant just needs to cure because it's done. And I got to wait for this to cure. Get rid of some of this stuff. Because our next layer is going to be yellow, and I don't want any of that purple interfering with my yellow. So I'm going to give that a nice wipe. There we go. Now these molds are from beebeecraft. I will link them in the description. I'm part of the affiliate program. And you can be too. And I will link that also. There are requirements. I think you have to have 100 subscribers. But yeah, who doesn't want free molds? Plus I'll link a 10% off coupon on both of these items. And that's for your entire purchase. That's not just one item. That's for everything. Everything that you decide to buy. And they have everything. It's an amazing site. So peruse through the site and see what you think. All right, we'll be back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pouring My Art Out. This is ready for me to pour the next layer. I mixed up some resin. I was going to do it completely transparent, but I noticed just around the edge here, there's some bubbles on both of these. So I'm not going to do it completely transparent. I'm going to use some alcohol ink, and this is Dandelion. It's yellow. So I'm going to put some drops in there. Actually, quite a bit. And then I'm going to use my Liquitex, a couple drops of white acrylic. Because I really don't think I want it completely transparent or completely opaque. And this does a pretty good job of that. A few drops of that. There we go. And I'm also going to pour this little flour to put on top of the jar. So we're just going to give this a nice mix. Make it a pretty yellow, pretty Easter colors. I know it's way early for Easter. I know that. But I wanted to go ahead and get these beebeecraft molds going because they're so cute. I just didn't want to wait. Alright, so you're still going to see lights through there. It's almost opaque. Wow, that's a gorgeous color. It's like egg yolk. Actually, that's what I make my deviled eggs out of. My deviled egg keychains that are so cute. And I just use my cabochon mold. Let me see if I can get you one to show you. How cute is that? Yeah, I use my cabochon mold. I do the oval and then I do the round. And just put them together. And they come out so adorable. Super, super simple. And sometimes I'll put a little UV resin on the top of it. And then sprinkle some mica powder to make it look like paprika. So I make my eggs with paprika. I don't know about you guys. Just to make them look pretty. Okay, so here we go. I'll pour this one first. There we go. Nicely domed. Just move that out of the way. Now this one. Oh, I'm going to have tons left over. I might make another little turtle. I haven't done turtles in a while. I did one last video. I put a short up on it. And it is just so cute. It's adorable. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm going to have tons left. There we go. A little bit in this. I'm going to spray this one though. It's got a lot of nooks and crannies. Get this out of the way so you can see. It takes next to nothing to fill these little ones up. And I got those, it was a set of 4 or 5 of these little tiny flowers from Temu. And they're just really cute. They really are. Alright, now we just wait for these to cure. And that's it. That's it, guys. Now in this video I also have the elephant, and this is what I did with the extra purple. Now these are almost cured, but we will demold them all together. And the elephant is also from beebeecrafts. This is not. This was from, I guess Temu. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where I got this one. All right. We'll see y'all soon. Bye. Good morning. Welcome back to Pouring My Art Out. These are all cured. My little egg. Oh, that fits right. I don't know. Anyway, let's demold the little stuff. Oh, that's cute. That's going to be the top. We'll go ahead and demold this little keychain out of the extra purple I had. And how cute is that? I'll put a little tassel on it. That's adorable. And let's do the elephant. These are really easy to demold, huh? Cute. Cute, cute. Of course, I will put some eyeballs on and possibly a flower. Don't know. Thought about drilling through here and doing a tassel. But I think I will stick with the eyeballs and the flower. Came out gorgeous. It's nice and sparkly. Cell phone holder. Okay, now to the main attraction. Let's do the bottom one first. It seems like it's going to be easier to demold. Okay, and I was worried about bubbles going around the middle, and now I don't see any. So that's good. Oh, how pretty is that? That's really pretty. You see it? Ooh, it's pretty. I'm excited. Okay. And I see one bubble. All in all, not bad. Not bad at all. Cute mold. I like it. Oh, look how cute. And my flower on top. I have to sand that down some. File it down. Look how cute that is, you all. That is just adorable. Ta-da! All right, I'm going to finish these off, and I will show you the finished picture. Or the finished products. I'll be back. Welcome back to Pouring My Art Out. We are done. There's a little jar. Turned out so cute. There's the elephant. It's got some googly eyes. Smelling the flowers. And the keychain. Finished. Gotta love extras. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out the More button to get your discount code for beebeecraft. And I will link both these molds in the description. I'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.